So today we're going to be building Project 5, which is our Darlington pair circuit. Now Darlington pair is where we have two bipolar transistors working together, and it was named after the guy who discovered it, Sidney Darlington, in the 1950s. So let's start with the components we'll need. Of course we have our breadboard, our 6-volt power supply for AA batteries, some LEDs, here we've chosen 6, a mix of green and red, 2 BC547 transistors, our Darlington pair, lots of jumper wires, and some fixed resistors, brown, black, brown, 100 ohm, brown, black, red, 1000 ohm, and yellow, violet, red, 4.7k ohm, or 4700 ohms. Those are the components, so now let's put it together. The wiring can get quite confusing sometimes, so it's good to start off with the components. So our transistors, you can see the round face is facing away from us, the flat face is towards us. Plop these next to each other. Then our LEDs. Remember, the long leg is the positive, the short leg is the negative terminal. Same terminals, the positive terminals going in the same row of holes. Screw that one back. You can see, have positive, negative, and so on, and our transistors. Then we have our resistors. So the 4.7k, the 1k, one end slotting in the same end as the 4.7, as you can see, and the other end slotting in the row next to it, not the same row, so they're not connected on one side and on the other, you can see. Now the 100 ohm in the same one side in the same holes as the positive leg of the LED. Other free set of holes to the left. And now our jumper wires, put it all together. The end terminal of this transistor to our negative power supply, or will be our negative power supply. And then the middle terminal of the same transistor. So to a 4.7k, so you can see it's going to the 4.7k, not the 1k. And the middle transistor of our other terminal, the middle terminal of our other transistor, to same row of holes as our 1k. If you can see, that goes in the same row of holes as the 1k. And again, and terminal of the transistor to give the negative terminal of our final set of LEDs. And then positive power supply to our 100 ohm. See? No, the leg is a bit bent there, but it's cool. And connect up the 4.7 and the 1k to 100 ohm. So that's the same, these three on the same set of holes. Positive power supply, 100 ohm, and the lead from the two resistors here. And we'll hook up our LEDs. So we'll connect the negative terminal, this LED, as you can see, that 100 ohm is going to the positive terminal. So negative to positive of the next one. See? Negative of one, positive of the other. And positive of the green. Positive to positive of these red. And negative to the negative, so negative of the green. See? The negative of the red. And we'll connect up a power supply with the positive terminal and the negative terminal. And then we have our Darlington pair. We switch off the lights so we can see better. And that is our Darlington pair. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos and feel free to like, comment and subscribe.